Hello everyone and welcome back to another cooking video. We are going to make Kaiserschmarren, something in my country that is very simple but very beloved, and I like it too. And there are many ways to do it. When you say what is Kaiserschmarren, well, if I translate it into English, a sweet cut up pancake. Sweet cut up pancakes. So it's pretty much a pancake, but with sugar in it, and it is like a large pancake, and you're not going to flip it, you're going to cut it, and then you're going to like reorder it, and then you're gonna bake or fry the rest of the corners. I will measure all the ingredients. All the accurate ingredients will be linked in the description on my video, like always. And yeah, see you in a bit. Okay, I measured all the ingredients, and maybe the hardest part was like the lemon peels there. Like a few lemon peels you will need to make it a little bit more of a kick. Like a pinch of salt, vanilla sugar, sugar, flour, milk, and egg. 4 eggs. Well, let's start with the eggs here. Now I could do this the easy way or the hard way. Separate the egg yolk from the egg whites. Now you can do this with the shells, or you can put everything on one ball and do it with the hand. The choice is yours, you can do it however you like. I don't really care how you do it, as long as there are no shells or anything else, like here on the hand. Yeah, I'm doing it like this. And do it with the rest of them, and be careful. And now we got all the egg whites on one ball and one egg yolks on that ball. Egg whites and egg yolks. We have it separated now. Now let's work with the egg whites. Next, beat the egg whites stiff, like very stiff, like snow. And this can take a while, so yeah, be patient, be relaxed, and later on we put the sugar in there. And we're gonna mix it together, the sugar, bit by bit. And now we are going to incorporate the 50 grams of sugar in there. Now in the big bowl with the egg yolks you put flour, pinch of salt, lemon peels, vanilla sugar, and milk. And now let's mix it all together. And then use a spatula to incorporate it even more evenly and better perfectly. And later on you want to put 1/3 of the beaten egg whites in and incorporate it with the spatula. And don't overmix it, we don't want to kill those small beaten bubbles from the egg whites. We want it fluffy and very soft. And repeat that process. Now heat the induction stove on middle-high heat, and then put some butter on there, like smear it on the pan, like evenly. Okay, and quick warning here, I made a mistake here. You're supposed to put only 1/2 of the cake batter in the pan, not the whole thing. I mistakenly put the whole thing in one pan, and it made like a really big cake pancake mixture, and yeah, I ended up with a very big pancake cake thingy thing. Yeah, but it still turned out to be good, so yeah. So please don't do the same mistake like me. Only half of the batter, one at a time. Let it fry for 2 minutes or 3 minutes, and then turn the induction stove off. Yeah, I forgot about that. And preheat the oven on 180 degrees Celsius. Put the pan in there. And let it bake for 15 minutes. Maybe we can already shut the oven off. 15 minutes are over now. Let's take it off, and be careful, the lid is very hot, so don't burn yourself. Here it is. Pretty cool. Now what do? We're going to cut it. In 2 pieces here. So we have 4 slices, just like this. And just a quick warning, please do not touch the metal grip on the pan. It is piping hot, and I accidentally touched it with my bare skin hand multiple times because I was not thinking. Yeah, I was not smart about it. And put some butter on the edges if you want, and yeah, just set it on a plate and you are almost ready then. And now to finish it all off, put some icing sugar on there, some powdered sugar, and yeah, on the side you can put applesauce on there, maybe Nutella, or the very classic Austrian way, plum roaster.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Now, was the Kaiserschmarren good? Yes, I tasted it, and it tasted good. It was really good. Now, the only downside I will give it to you is maybe don't put the lemon peels into the mixture if you want to have a bitter aftertaste. But besides that, it's pretty good. So keep in mind that the lemon peel should be optional to put in, not really necessary. So yeah. Well, I'm almost already at the end of the video, so if you are still watching, maybe consider subscribing and leave a comment and leave a like. That will always help me, and if anybody puts a comment on there what they think about my helpful of a recipe of a video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next video.